I know I've never started the vlog like this morning. That's funny. But today, y'all, Mark and Dad went to go get another female piglet. Since we did so well selling all of our KuneKune piglets, we're going to be getting another female for Adam to breed, so that we have 2 females. And we're going to be naming her Ruthie because we have Adam, Eve, and then we're going to have Ruth. So they're off getting the piglet. It's a few hours, it's a couple hours there and a couple hours back, and they're meeting like at Tractor Supply or something. So Luke is helping me with the chores this morning. Usually Mark would be helping me. Luke is helping me work this morning. And as you see, we locked up Oreo at night, but we leave Cookie on her. And look, Cookie just drank from right here and now I'm thirsty. So this is like so full. So I'm just going to milk some of that out. And then we're going to be putting him on Pasture. How do you milk so fast? We got Daisy and the 2 calves on their new pasture. They were staying by the horses, but now that the Highlander is gone, they're over there and the grass is just taken off right there, so we put them over there. And now I'm coming back down here to scoop all of Daisy's manure in the barn and also have to give Daisy some minerals over there. I was going to take the lawn tractor down there to move minerals. I took it out and everything, and then it just was not starting. And then so the gas was low, so then I filled up the gas, and then we checked the oil, and that's fine. So there's just something wrong with our lawn tractor. We've had it for like 6 years, so it's kind of just really old, and it's just kind of starting to have all these problems. So I'll be moving the minerals with the wheelbarrow. It'll be fine. It's just because the blocks are like 50, 60 pounds. So I'll just move it with the wheelbarrow. It'll be just fine because I only have to move 1 block. And y'all, something crazy. Posey, you know Daisy's little adopted calf? She's like 1 year old now. But we were about to take her in for like a pregnancy test here very soon. And y'all, I think she is for sure pregnant. She's gonna deliver here in like a few days. She already has milk in her udder, just like what Daisy did, and she's been moving a lot and really antsy. So and it looks like her baby dropped last night. So I'm thinking here within these next few days she's going to deliver. So we're gonna start moving. We're gonna have Posey coming here every night, so we make sure we catch it. And it's gonna be her first calf, and she's really young also. So we just want to make sure everything goes smoothly and everything. So I'm going to start picking up the cow manure in the barn, but my brother Luke, he wants to show you all the sugar snap peas in our garden. You can also show him the other stuff too, and the tomatoes and all that. So he wants to show you all the garden because he's starting to love to film now. So he's going to give you all a little update on our garden. You want to go ahead and do that?
Sure. Okay, now I'm going to show you our squash. It's growing actually pretty good. This is our squash. These salaries. Here's some baby squash. Baby squash. So cool. I'm going to show y'all the sugar snap peas. Hey, can y'all see that? The big one right there. I don't know if this is watermelon or cantaloupe, but yeah, that's the tour for our garden. See y'all.
I hope y'all enjoyed your garden update. But right now I am just scooping Yes, don't get too close, okay? Yeah, but I have to tell y'all something super funny. So we were at the hardware store, like, I don't know, what was it, a week ago or so? And this lady's like, y'all look like country bumpkins. And we're like, yeah, we are. And then she's like, but let me ask you a question to see if we were really country, you know? She's like, have you ever thrown a cow patty? And we're like, yep, we always thrown cow patties. So y'all, if y'all think you're country, you're not truly country if you haven't thrown a cow patty. So, yeah, go throw a cow patty. Yeah. What was I gonna say? Go throw a cow patty if you haven't already, because you're not truly country if you haven't thrown a cow patty. So,
I kicked the cow patty.
Have you thrown?
No.
You haven't?
Not
Oh,
yet.
yeah. Oh, you have to. Yeah. Like.
I only feel hard ones, not really ones.
No. Okay. All right, that's probably enough cow patty talk. I will see y'all after when I'm giving minerals to the cows. Now, if I'm gonna carry minerals in this rubber, I'm just gonna hose it out because it's really gross right now. So I'm just gonna do that. Y'all look, we're starting to get our blackberries. Do y'all remember these from last year? We have vines running all down right here and they get covered in blackberries. We used to have a lot of vines around the pond, but it kind of just attracts a lot of snakes around over there, so we cut them all down. But let's see. Pretty good.
Yeah.
It's not like sweet, but it's kind of sour. I feel like the first ones, there's like only a few. But they're really good. Last year we had enough and we made a couple pies. It was so good. Luke is like finding like all the berries. I didn't even realize there was so many. Look how many. Can you show me your hand? Look how many there are. Look how pretty they look too. There we go. That's so pretty.
Chubz, it's bath time. It's time for you to have a bath. Come on, Chubz. It's time for a bath. Come on. Come on.
Chubby. Oh, Chubz, you're not listening, are you? Chubby, it's time for bath. Chubz. No, come on. It's bath time. It has been a few hours, y'all, and Dad and Mark and John, they are back home. And look who is here. It's little Ruthie. She is only like 6 weeks old. She is so small and she has those teeny waddles. So she's really good. She's bred really well. And it looks like she's all black, but she does have some spots on the other side. But she's mostly black with pink. And it's funny because that's Adam's new wife. But it's kind of funny to think because she's just a baby. How do you like your new wife? I know, she's a baby, but she'll grow up for you. She's super cute, and I worry a little bit in the beginning as if Adam and Eve wouldn't like her, but they seem actually to love her. She seems more scared of them. She kind of runs away from them when they try to go up to her, but yeah, I think she's totally fine. And we got a lot of water for her. Got these 3 buckets. This is full of water. This is for the bigger pigs. And we got this big ol' butthole. There's some water right there. So little Ruthie is doing really good, y'all. She's only been here for like 20 minutes, so. But she's doing good. It's funny, she looks a lot like Eve. Eve, that's a mini you. That's a mini me of you. We just gave them some food, that's why they're eating. She's actually super sweet, y'all. Adam, are you enjoying your day? I don't have any food for you, buddy. I don't have any food for you. Yes, I don't. Usually he'll roll over once you itch him. You got an itchy chin? Yeah. Well, y'all, it has been a few days. We had a very busy weekend with friends and stuff. And I just wanted to tell y'all that little Ruthie, she is doing so well. She loves Adam and Eve, like loves them. At first, I think I mentioned this, it's been quite a few days, so I kind of forget what I've said to y'all before. Yeah, she was like a little scared of Adam and Eve, like she'd kind of like run away from them. But now she absolutely loves them. Eve acts like it's her piglet and she will sleep on top of Adam and Eve's noses. She's just so cute. And in a couple days, y'all, we're gonna be picking up another female piglet. She is registered and she's like white with black spots. She's a super pretty piglet, and yeah, Mom and Dad, they really want to get into this whole pig thing. So y'all, we kind of have new plans for our farm. Mom and Dad kind of want to turn it into like a really KuneKune pig farm type of thing. So we're kind of just getting started on that because we have Adam and Eve, and then we have this little girl, and she has waddles, and the next girl, she's like really good, like she has papers and like everything. And then we're going to be keeping our eye out for another registered boar piglet, and then we'll probably like make another area for pigs and kind of breed them and raise them and do all that cool stuff. So that is just super cool and super exciting. And I think we're kind of still deciding on the names of our next piglet. We were thinking, since she's Ruthie, then doing our other one Naomi and then Boaz. Because we have Adam, Eve, Naomi, Ruth, and Boaz. We thought that'd be super cute. So I think that's what we're going to be doing. I'm not 100% sure on it yet, but we will see, y'all. But anyways, y'all, I'm just going to end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching. And yeah, I have to go start training Indy because I haven't really worked with them that much within these last couple days. I've brushed them and stuff. I haven't ridden Indy that much, and I would like to take Journey for a long walk today. So we kind of have a busy day ahead of us here, y'all. But anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. I pray y'all have a really blessed day, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.